Welcome back everyone. Got another tip for you content creators, and this one is all about small bathroom spaces and how I photograph them. If you're anything like me, you probably see yourselves in reflections of shower doors quite often. So I know it's hard to see, but this is a very tiny bathroom, obviously because my phone can't even capture it all. Where I have to capture it from is right here in the doorway, but as you can see, my reflection is right there in that shower door. Well, how do I avoid this? Look right up here. There's my strobe. The best place to put it is right on top of the shower door, and that's because it adds light to the inside of the shower and removes the reflection. And I'll show you exactly what I mean. So as you can see, here is the image with no light added, and if you look right there, you can see the camera in the reflection of the shower door. Now when I put the flash on top of the shower door, trigger it, boom, look at that. You can no longer see me in the reflection of the door. Very easy, very simple tip, and it makes shooting these smaller spaces super easy.